Welcome to this technical guide on the Conga 3690. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Conga 3690 isn't moving, it's likely that the wheels are jammed. This can occur due to dirt buildup or obstruction from debris. If not addressed promptly, it could lead to further damage, affecting the overall performance of your device. To get started on the repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, some compressed air, and a clean cloth. First, ensure your Conga 3690 is turned off and unplugged. Begin by carefully removing the screws at the base of the device using your Phillips screwdriver. Make sure to keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the cover off the device. Be cautious not to force it, as this could cause damage. With the cover removed, locate the wheel assembly. This is the component that is likely causing the issue. Inspect the wheels for any visible obstructions or dirt. If you notice any debris, use the compressed air to clear it away. Next, if the wheels are still stuck, you may need to remove the wheel assembly. To do this, carefully disconnect any cables that may be in the way. Take note of where each cable connects, as you'll need to reconnect them later. Once the cables are out of the way, look for any screws holding the wheel assembly in place and remove them. Gently pull the assembly out, taking care to avoid damaging any surrounding components. If you have a replacement wheel assembly, you can now install it. Insert it in the same position as the old one and secure it with screws. Reconnect the cables, ensuring they are firmly attached. Once everything is back in place, replace the cover of your Conga 3690, aligning it properly before securing it with screws. Finally, plug in your device and turn it on to check if the wheels are functioning correctly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from happening again, regularly clean the wheels and check for any debris that may obstruct movement. Additionally, storing your Conga 3690 in a clean area can help keep it in top condition. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.